Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2016 Escape SE in shadow black with grey cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a hatch. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine, automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. It also has a panoramic moonroof, backup camera, as well as a power lift gate. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the liftgate release is here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, cruise control, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages. There's also a menu that will appear, and we can toggle through that. Trip 1, Trip 2, Information, Settings, and they all have submenus. In the center up top, you're seeing the CD player, and you've got a display screen that you can touch on. We're in the settings right now. There's Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You can go into audio, turn down the volume on your steering wheel, and go into your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and you can touch on there. The map will appear. And then when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. And there you go. And then down below is your volume and tuner, and there's your hazard lights. You have dual climate control for the comfort of driver and passenger, AC, as well as max AC. You also have your front defrost, and your controls for your fan are located there. You have an automatic select shifter. Your emergency parking brake is beside the driver, and then you have heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as a 12-volt, couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up, and it's got the little bin in there. You can take that out. There's lots of room down below, plus USB and 12-volt. So I'll just show you that. There you go. So you can power up and connect devices. Off to the side is your glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and in this vehicle you have a panoramic moonroof, so you can actually power slide it open. You also have a power screen to control light and air, and there's a grab handle on the passenger side, and that just makes it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, body color door handle, keyless entry keypad. In the back there's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and just below the Ford badge is your backup camera. You also have backup sensors on your bumper and dual exhaust. When you're ready to open up that liftgate, all you have to do is double click your fob, but you can also release it from inside, and it powers it open for you. And then in the back hatch area, you've got this light off to the side, as well as a 12-volt. There's hooks to tether things, and lots of room back there. And then when you're ready to close everything up, you can put your hand to the right, or you can push the button on the left, and it'll bring it right down. It chimes to let you know it's going down securely, and then you can just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You can bring down the headrest simply by pushing the button, and then pull the lever at the base, and it'll bring your seat right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. There's anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then easily lift the seat up into the upright position and flip up the headrest. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, carpeted mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You have air vents and a 110-volt outlet. Up above, hooks, handles, lighting, and that panoramic view. Passenger side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.